In today's video, I'll show you how to connect an Instagram page to your Facebook page in simple steps. Keep watching this video till the end. So the first thing we have to do is open the Facebook page, then click on the icon on top and go down to settings and privacy and click on settings again. And once you're here, you'll see some options on the left side. So go down to permissions and under that you will see linked accounts. Just click on that. And here you can connect your Instagram or WhatsApp account. So just go ahead and click on Instagram and click connect account. So they'll ask all our information and we just have to click on connect and go ahead and continue. And just go ahead and enter your Instagram account details and the password as well, and just click on login. Then you can connect your Facebook page and Instagram page immediately. So this is how we connect the pages. If you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing content like this. So thank you and have a nice day.